All-Day Slimming Tea. The All-Day Slimming Tea is a powerful new tea for supporting healthy weight loss, detox, digestion, and better sleep. Instead of a typical weight loss supplement that is full of dangerous ingredients and chemicals, our All-Day Slimming Tea is a delicious 100% natural tea, based on the traditional tea recipe that has made Nicoya, Costa Rica, one of the healthiest places in the world, where people's lifespan is almost 90. The morning tea supports your digestion, reduces your cravings and keeps your metabolism and energy levels elevated all day long, while stopping fat production in your body. The evening tea supports your detoxification process and improves your sleep. 100% natural all-day slimming tea that helps your body burn fat all day long. Our all-day slimming tea helps you feel great all day long, sleep better during the night. Start drinking it today and you'll experience amazing benefits like over 761 people already have a faster metabolism. Thanks to the powerful ingredients like green tea, oolong tea, ginseng root, and Garcinia cambogia, our all-day slimming tea helps elevate your metabolism and reduces fat production and storage in your body. High energy level. Because of the antioxidants found in the herbs, the all-day slimming tea help rejuvenate the mitochondria from your cells, thus you will feel energetic, confident, and revitalized all day long. Healthier digestion, reduced cravings. The ginger, dandelion leaves and Garcinia inside the all-day slimming tea help support your gut health and digestion, and reduce your cravings for carbs or salty snacks. Faster detox, better sleep. The ingredients inside the evening tea supports your body's detoxification process, plus will help you get better sleep so you can wake up filled with energy every morning. Made from 100% natural ingredients. Our all-day slimming tea contains 100% natural ingredients, and made in an FDA-registered premium facility in US, so rest assured that you'll get a premium quality product. I'm so confident you'll enjoy life-changing results with our all-day slimming tea that I'm prepared to back up your investment with a 100% satisfaction guarantee for the next 60 days minus our shipping cost. Start drinking our all-day slimming tea when you receive it at your home in a few days. You should notice your energy, digestion, and metabolism improving from the very first time you take it. This is the first sign it's working. Next, you'll feel how you'll better control your cravings and make your weight loss journey a lot easier and more enjoyable. Your order is fully secure, encrypted, and safe. It's also covered by a rock-solid 60-day guarantee. If at any point during the next 2 months following your order, you are less than satisfied with your results, contact us using the links at the footer of this page and we will refund your order minus our shipping cost. Here's what our newest clients say about our all-day slimming tea. I love how much more energy I have. My name is Patricia and I am a 54 years old nurse living in Montana. I started drinking the tea 5 weeks ago and already dropped 23 pounds and 2 dress sizes. I love it mostly because of how much more energy I have throughout the day since I started to drink 3 cups of the morning tea instead of only 1. I also have fewer cravings of carbs. I sleep better and I am not bloated anymore. And just yesterday I was able to wear my favorite jeans, which I haven't worn for over 10 years because I gained too much weight. My husband is very happy about my new positive energy and I can't wait to see my results after a few more months. Patricia. I can't stop the compliments. I am happy for being one of the first all-day slimming tea users and maybe one of their most successful clients. For the last 5 years I tried everything in order to get my old body back. I am 48 and no matter what I did, I couldn't stop gaining weight. When I heard about the all-day slimming tea, I was skeptical, but I love drinking tea and I thought a few extra cups of tea won't hurt. I was amazed of much weight I lost in the first 2 days, so I started drinking 3 cups of the morning tea every day since. In 9 weeks I dropped 39 pounds, 5 dress sizes, and I can wear my old skinny jeans once again and people compliment me every single day for how beautiful and young I am. Rhonda. My quality of life has completely changed. My name is Adrian and I'm a truck driver. When all the weight I gained during the past 10 years, it got harder and harder to perform at my job as I was always tired and sluggish. I was also worried about my heart and blood sugar levels, as they were dangerously high. But when I started drinking the all-day slimming tea, 3 weeks ago, everything changed. My back stopped aching, my energy and focus increased, craving for junk food gone, and I already lost 13 pounds and 2¼ inches off my belly. I am energized and enthused. Exactly like I felt when I became a truck driver. I'll keep drinking this all my life and I definitely recommend it. Adrian. FAQs. Is the all-day slimming tea really 100% natural? Yes, the all-day slimming tea is an all-natural tea formula that contains only natural ingredients. It is manufactured here in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that follows the GMP Good Manufacturing Practices guidelines. We have tested our tea in a few different independent laboratories and their tests have proved that all the ingredients we use are 100% natural, of the highest possible standard and tested for highest purity and potency. Will the all-day slimming tea really work for me? The all-day slimming tea is proven to support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion, detox and high energy levels. And at the same time help you sleep better. It's a powerful and unique tea blend that is helping thousands of men and women in US live a healthier life. It makes no difference if you're a man or a woman. If you're 60 or 30 years of age. You can accelerate your metabolism and have high energy all day long. You'll get amazing results by drinking the all-day slimming tea daily. Ideally for 3 to 6 months. Most of our clients notice the difference in the first day they start drinking the morning tea, as they have more energy throughout the day, and in the evening. They are more relaxed and they sleep better. What if the all-day slimming tea doesn't work for me? We're very confident that you'll benefit from the all-day slimming tea, as we already have thousands of testimonials from our clients about how drinking our tea daily has changed their lives. However, if the all-day slimming tea is less than satisfying for you, feel free to contact us directly to request a prompt refund of your purchase. You are fully covered by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. How many units of the all-day slimming tea should I order? The all-day slimming tea's ingredients will benefit you more after several months of working through your body. This is why we recommend you to get started with the 3 or 6 months packages. Sure, you can order a 30-day supply today, and you'll be so convinced by how great you feel in a week or 2, that you'll be likely to order more. But remember, stock is selling out very fast and ingredients are becoming harder to source. We may run out of stock or increase the price as soon as tomorrow. What's more, you'll benefit from astonishing discounts when you order more. That's why taking advantage of our 3 or 6 bottle deals below is the best choice for you. How fast will I receive my slimming tea order? We will ship your order directly to your home or office using UPS. We will process your order in 24 hours, and you can expect your order to be shipped within 5 to 7 business days. COVID-19 pandemic may affect postal delivery times. Is this a one-time payment or will I be rebilled? All of the options below are one-time charges. You'll never be billed without being notified very clearly. What do I do now? Get started with the all-day slimming tea by clicking on your best option below. Enter your details on the next page to complete your order. Then you can relax as our friendly team processes your order. Packs it up and sends it to your doorstep in a few short days. I'm so confident you'll enjoy life-changing results with our all-day slimming tea that I'm prepared to back up your investment with a 100% satisfaction guarantee for the next 60 days minus our shipping cost. Start drinking our all-day slimming tea when you receive it at your home in a few days. You should notice your energy, digestion and metabolism improving from the very first time you take it. This is the first sign it's working. Next, you'll feel how you'll better control your cravings and make your weight loss journey a lot easier and more enjoyable. Your order is fully secure, encrypted and safe. It's also covered by a rock-solid 60-day guarantee. If at any point during the next 2 months following your order, you are less than satisfied with your results, contact us using the links at the footer of this page and we will refund your order minus our shipping cost. Click link below to get all-day slimming tea discounts now.